Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making homemade pizza. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my toppings for my pizza. I'm going to cut up a yellow pepper, a red pepper and a green pepper. I'm now going to cut up some cooked ham. And some chorizo. These are the toppings I'm using on my pizza, but you can use any toppings of your choice. I'm now going to make my tomato base for my pizza. I'm going to add sun-dried tomato, tomato puree, and oregano. I'm going to now cut my shop bought puff pastry into 4 rectangles. I'm now going to take some of my paste and spread it over my pizza base. I'm now going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese over the top. And then add my toppings on top. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I have placed my pizzas on a baking tray with grease-proof paper. I'm going to bake them in the centre of the oven for 15 to 25 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.